tomorrow, right now, we get to learn it. So, as we're in 2A, we don't have any hand positions, so your hands are going to be moving from where you start, all over the place. So if you see that a whole bunch in the second page, circle numbers mean move. So, start here, but don't get comfortable. Let me give you 2 measures at a time, so we're going to take it 2 bars at a time. It starts on count 4 of the first measure. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Okay? So watch your 8th note, then it ties over to count 1, that half note, C. So we do and tie. So make sure you don't play that second C. Okay? The fingers just walk down here. So try that a couple times. That's that second measure. It's both 3 and then down. So the whole line is like this. And tie. Do that a million times until it's right. Next line starts with a rest. So make sure you count that when you're practicing. Don't be like, oh, I'll get it later. Silliness. So we start 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. You do that whole thing. And that just has some 8th notes, and then your hands are still in the same place. Watch the skips at the end. Okay? That last C, let me zoom you in, is, where is it? Right there. 3 counts, so be careful to count all 3. And then you're tied, so you don't play it on the second page. Just play your left hand. Okay? Good advice. So, rest. 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? Now, on the second page, we have those first and second endings. You see that number 1 right there? So, it means we go all the way to the repeat sign. When we get to the repeat sign, we go back to the beginning. Okay? Let me show you some of that part. That second ending, or that first ending, we'll start at measure 6, starts with the left hand. So count this part like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Write that in your music. I'm looking at you. Write those 1, 2s in. Alright? Then we go back to the beginning, and then the second time through, we don't play number 1, we play number 2. So you go right to measure 9 from there. Alright? You'll figure that stuff out. The next part, the chorus, the tomorrow part, is where we move a lot. So your right hand is the same thing. G, A, G. So practice that right hand a couple times, but the left hand is a tricky part. It's tied, so it looks like a lot of things are happening. But we just play that 1 note, and then we go down, and then we go down, and then we move our thumb. Okay? Let me try both hands. Both hands. Sorry. Thumb, 2, black key, and then thumb. Okay? So just practice that part a lot. It's the biggest part of the song. Everybody's gonna love it when you do it right. Not if you don't. So the end is in that hand position that, almost the hand position you started in, okay? So just watch the finger numbers, you'll be able to figure that out. Okie dokie, you're welcome to the Can of Wisdom.